Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Flow Studio. I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex. Let's make English learning fun and natural together. Today, we'll talk about feelings. How you feel inside.
Happy, sad, excited, or tired. We all have them.
So, how do you feel today?
I feel happy because we're learning together.
And in English, it's easy to talk about them.
Feelings are emotions, and what's inside your heart and mind.
Repeat after us.
Let's start with some simple ones. Happy, sad, angry, tired. Happy and smile, sad and cry, angry, shout, tired and yawn.
Nice job. Repeat after us. Happy, sad, angry, tired.
Repeat after us. Happy, sad, angry, tired.
You can say, I feel happy or I am happy.
Both are correct. I feel means your emotion right now.
I am means your current state. So, I feel tired or I am tired.
Both. You can use either.
I feel happy when I drink coffee.
I feel tired after a long day.
Yes, let's learn more. Yeah.
Talking about feelings is fun. Let's see what they mean.
New words. Excited, scared, frustrated, proud. Welcome to Speak English Flow.
Let's dive in.
Don't worry, I'll turn on the light.
I feel scared when it's dark.
I feel frustrated when Wi-Fi is slow.
Same here. And I feel proud of you.
I feel proud when I learn new English words. Say it with us. I feel excited.
I feel tired. I feel proud.
Feelings help people understand you. Hecka Pilger, if understand you.
They make your English sound real and natural. Write it in the comments below.
Now it's your turn. How do you feel today? Plus, excited, scared, proud, frustrated. Oh!
Happy, sad, angry, tired.
Don't forget to practice. Albami.
See you in the next lesson.
How are you today? Oh no, I'm here for you.
I feel sad. My plant died. When we share feelings, people understand us better.
Yes, it builds trust and connection.
I understand how you feel.
That must be really hard. I'm here for you. What does this mean? What does this mean?
It means you're happy right now. Great job, everyone!
You can now talk about your feelings in English. Ready for the next part?
Add salsa kinsas and ansad saim fladang.
You're amazing.
In part 2, we'll learn how to express emotions in real conversation.
Let's go deeper. See you in part 2.
See you in part 2.
See you in part 2. Welcome back to Speak English Flow Studio.
In this part, we'll learn how to express emotions in real conversations. Now let's use them in real life.
Remember, we can say, I feel, or I am.
And when you want to share your emotion, start with a feel.
For example, I feel great today.
Adding a little makes it sound softer.
You can say, I feel sad, or I'm a little sad. I'm really happy.
I'm a little tired.
I'm very happy.
Nice. You sound natural.
I'm a bit tired.
Now let's learn how to ask others about their feelings.
Oh. It's a very useful skill.
But sometimes people just say, I'm fine.
The easiest question is, how are you? And
I'm fine. That sounds more caring.
you can ask deeper, how are you really feeling?
And it sounds very professional.
Yeah. So it's very useful for your presentations, for business meetings, and so on.
Empathy means understanding how others feel.
It helps people open up.
That must be really hard.
When someone feels sad, you can say, we're going to share some tips that can truly transform your experience.
I'm really looking forward to this.
Kind words create connection.
And your English sounds real and kind. Okay, I'm ready.
Let's practice. I'll say a feeling, you answer kindly.
Oh no, that must be really hard.
I feel sad. My cat is sick.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Flow.
I feel nervous before big meetings.
I understand how you feel. Take a deep breath.
Exactly. Listening is powerful.
Yeah. That's empathy, not fixing, just listening.
Simple and effective.
3 steps to express emotions naturally.
I'm really excited about tomorrow.
I feel proud of you.
Hey, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Flow.
We're so excited to have you with us today.
When you express emotions, people connect with you.
That's real English communication. Don't be afraid to talk about your feelings.
I'd stay. It's part of learning and growing.
Every time you share, your English improves.
And your heart feels lighter.
Keep talking, keep feeling.
Remember, progress, not perfection.
Today we learn to express emotions.
And to respond with kindness.
You're learning to speak with heart.
You did great.
In part 3, we'll learn how to describe strong emotions.
Get ready for words like overwhelmed and disappointed. See you in part 3.
See you in part 3. Today, we'll go deeper, Tasse, how to describe strong feelings.
Welcome back to Speak English Flow Studio.
That means very tired.
For example, instead of tired, say exhausted. Instead of happy, you can say thrilled.
That's like super happy, full of excitement.
Oh no, stay calm, Mia.
When you're very angry,
Say furious.
tired, exhausted, happy, thrilled, angry, furious.
Oh,
Perfect pronunciation practice.
Exhausted, thrilled, furious.
Repeat after us.
When you're deeply sad, say devastated.
It means extremely heartbroken. Devastated means extremely shocked and distressed. For example, she was devastated when her best friend moved away.
Now let's learn overwhelmed, cousin, a very useful word.
It means having too many things at once.
Or too many feelings inside.
When you have too much work, you feel overwhelmed.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Flows.
Yeah.
Flow.
We're so excited to have you join us today. Anxious means worried or nervous about the future.
Like before a big test or meeting. I feel anxious when I have too much to do.
It's okay, we all do sometimes.
And I feel proud when you learn new words.
I feel proud when I help my students. That's another great episode.
Yeah,
I guess we used every episode.
It really is. I feel so proud of how far we've come. When something you hope for doesn't happen, you feel disappointed.
Like when plans get canceled.
Then would that be someone tapet sa wrong caption?
And I think that's a really important distinction to make when you're learning.
Exhausted, thrilled, furious, devastated, overwhelmed, anxious, proud, disappointed.
Let's repeat them together.
Now you can describe feelings with more color.
Yes, your English sounds more alive. Use small words to show strength. A little, very, completely. Like,
I'm a little tired. I'm completely exhausted.
A bit sad.
yeah.
Very sad.
Yeah,
Completely devastated.
exactly. Exactly.
They make your English sound real.
Let's learn some fun idioms.
I'm on cloud nine, Bill. Means super happy.
Like me when we finish filming.
But it's a gentle way to say it.
Feeling blue means you're a little sad.
Like a sad movie or goodbye.
It broke my heart when something hurts deeply.
It means being very careful not to upset someone.
Like when your friend is angry.
Let's review.
On cloud nine, feeling blue, it broke my heart, walking on eggshells.
These make you sound natural. Hi, everyone, and welcome to our podcast.
Yes, and-
Did you watch Touching Us today?
We're so glad you could join us today.
And your English more expressive.
Strong feelings make your stories interesting.
Describe how you feel, share it, connect with others.
Beautiful communication. And you've learned 8 strong feeling words and 4 idioms.
Wow, great job. We'd love to read your answers.
Tell us in the comments, which word is your favorite?
Exactly. And it's all about making those small steps consistently.
You're so right.
In part 4, we'll learn to talk about emotions at work.
Useful and polite phrases you'll need every day. Donor guy.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. And share this video with your friends. This is Speak English Flow Studio.
This is Speak English Flow Studio. Hey Alex, ready for another day at work?
Always. Let's talk about emotions in the workplace today. Let's learn how to say those feelings politely.
At work, we feel happy, tired, or even stressed sometimes. Instead of saying I'm angry, say I feel frustrated.
That sounds softer and more professional. It means something didn't go as you hoped.
Like when a project is delayed.
And we can talk about them with respect.
These are common feelings at work.
Welcome back to Speak English Flow, everyone. Today we have a really interesting topic.
Yes, of course.
Perfect English for self-care.
You can also say, I need a short break to recharge.
Welcome to the podcast.
Class, we're glad to have you here. We're glad to have you here.
Under pressure, plankse. It sounds professional and natural.
Yes, and everyone feels that sometimes.
Good idea. We feel proud, confident, or motivated.
Now let's talk about positive feelings.
I feel motivated to finish this project.
That's great energy for work.
And your pronunciation is perfect.
I feel confident when I speak English clearly.
When you appreciate a coworker, say, congrats.
All proud to work with you.
Or thanks for your help today. Thanks for say.
That builds good relationships at work.
Oh, do you have walnuts at?
Empathy.
Something I know.
Empathy.
And that's a great word to start with, Mia. If someone feels stressed, you can say,
That sounds like a tough day.
That's a great point, Mia. I really appreciate you sharing that perspective.
Thanks, Alex. It's something I've been thinking about a lot.
Talking about emotions really helps teams grow, you know?
Absolutely. It creates so much trust and balance. And
Frustrated, burned out, under pressure, motivated, confident, proud.
Great vocabulary for your next job. Good idea.
Let's practice polite phrases for meetings.
You can say, I'm a bit worried about the deadline.
That sounds respectful and clear.
Good for honest conversations. We were discussing the importance of intonation, and you were saying,
It completely changes the meaning of a sentence.
at work, express feelings clearly but politely.
Confidence and kindness go together. Tell us in the comments below.
And the soapball passes out why?
How do you feel at work? Practice makes language more natural.
And your confidence will grow. We're so proud of your progress. Yeah!
Keep learning with Speak English Flow Studio.
Next, we'll explore English at work, emails, meeting, teamwork,
exciting and super useful.
and share your favorite phrase below.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Speak English Flow Studio, where learning feels natural.